Okay, hey there, fine folks. I just bought my first camper, and need to fix the toilet already. As we hooked up the water, it seems the main reservoir on the back, whatever that is, froze and cracked at some point. I don't believe it's the seller's fault. He probably didn't know about it. There's no previous water damage, so. Sometimes you just gotta roll up your sleeves and get to it. So I believe it's a 1/2-inch bolt on each side of the toilet. La-di-da-di-da. Let's take it off, replace the pump. The pump's about $15, except for when you actually go to an RV store, because you don't want to wait on shipping time, because you have a work schedule and you don't want to have to drive all the way to another city to go get it. Yeah, so it's about $15 on Amazon, but it's $60 at a store. I bought both because I figured if this happens again, then I have one right up in here in my storage in my bathroom. So let's get to it, and I'll show you what we're doing. So I doubt I can use my ratchet here, but 1/2-inch bolts on the side of each toilet. Yeah, it's not going to happen. Brought my deep well in hopes that this would be easy, but this is not hard. We can do this. It's just, a little bit more than we'd like. Alright, now I'm able to hand do it. That wasn't on there very tight. Lucky me. The other side is going to be harder. Give it a hard mark. Make it nice and sharp right here. The other side. Dos amigos, each side of the toilet. Now it should just lift off, I think, maybe, probably. This is the first time I've ever dealt with something like this, so, yeah. Wow, oh, this thing's super light. Ooh, we got a moldy patch. Who puts a moldy patch down there? Gross, that's the previous owner's extra. Ooh, it's got some gas to it. Alright, we might take this out of here. Oh, ha ha ha. Clean the black tanks. My butt. I don't think you did that, buddy. It's my understanding, I don't have internet where I'm at right now, but you want to take this guy off nice and gradually. Definitely don't want to damage this tube right here. You need to lift this up and it kind of slides out while simultaneously taking this guy out. It seems pretty straightforward. It does seem like there's a screw right there, but it might all pop out. We'll see what it does. Don't force anything. And yeah, let's get to it. I need a camera mount and my magnetic phone case. We'll stick to this, so yeah, check this out. You're on my sword. Look at the sword. Wow. Right on. That'll work. Okay, so now that we have the Ninja Sword phone stand, we'll take this off. Okay. So, it's a Phillips screw back here. Take that out just because it's just hard to get out. Apparently it's pretty simple, which I do believe it is. Oh yeah, okay, now we're moving. Now we're cooking with Crisco. Let's go. Yep. Let you slide up here. There we are. All right. Not too shabby. It's a little. For those who don't know, it's a little hook. So I'll probably put that in first, put that in second, push it in. That's how I'm going to do it. Yeah, I don't know really what was leaking on this bad boy, but as soon as we hooked it up, it went kablooey. Ah! There we are. There's some water. This is the new guy. This is the old guy. I don't know necessarily what was broken. You'd think it'd be obvious, but a leak's a leak. I'll tell you that much. So, yeah. Use a damn shutoff valve. Just run a shutoff valve, like one little valve. Turn it, reach down, turn it. There you go, flushing. It's gotta be so complicated. Get in there. Alright, now we're in. Now we swing and we pivot. Swing and pivot. Swing and we pivot. Get lined up with your track. Maybe if I flush. That's much easier. Yes. Yes, glorious. Glorious. Okay, so we flush. And we put on the hose. This thing is very much not idiot-proof. And it came out of the track. You know, I'm starting to get really mad now. This is one of those simple things, but I gotta like reach around with my foot. There we are. Now we in business. My screw is by the Phillips screwdriver. That's funny. That would only make sense. Alright, so we're theoretically all hooked up here, bud. So, I'm gonna go get some rubber gloves because it's gonna be gross. I'm gonna change out this ring. I'm gonna put it on the toilet first, then put the toilet down and tighten it down. Alright, so it's definitely facing down. I'm gonna clean this up quick with toilet appropriate material. Grab some of our toilet cleaning material. And this had clearly a leak at one point because it's all wet underneath here, which is not ideal, but that could have also been the water from the leak. Actually, that's probably, now that I'm thinking out loud, that's almost certainly what that was. Antibacterial lubrication. Stick that out. Make sure all the ring is clear. Not the ring. Hit a ring with our lubrication. Make sure our O-ring is still in place. This thing is incredibly light. I am kind of impressed by how light it is, but I don't know if it can handle my manly weight. Yeah, but also I don't know anything about plumbing. But,
yeah. Cut your hair, cut your beard down.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Look at you. You look like you're a little civilized.
I'm styling. Let's see if this thing leaks. I'm gonna go turn the water on here shortly. Hopefully it's not a calamity. I only have so many towels, you know.
All right. So far, so good.
Come on. Please
Shower work and everything?
I don't know, I didn't try it. I was more focused on, this sprayed everywhere. It was a star.
As soon as you turn the water on.
Yeah, it's just,
yeah.
So, figure that out. Oh, no way. Dude, I did something.
High five.
Yeah, dude, I did a fake. Back to the COVID days. Yeah, COVID five.